Let me show you now in a map all the position of the food and beverage department. It's a huge department, so just have a zoom and you can check all positions. Next video, we will talk about engineering positions.